Hi guys, welcome to Bunky Open House. When you first get here, you'll be finding our parking on our roadside. Come approach us and we'll give you a flyer for today's promotions, and then we'll hand you guys over to our front desk to be able to sign in there.
Welcome guys. So at this stage you are going to enter here to win a number of different prizes. So you're going to spin our special wheel over there, which has got a number of different things. We can give away a book. We've got Bunky cards as well, and we have a number of our vendor partners that you can win a prize with. So you can enter into the raffle here.
All right guys, your next step is to check out our Bunky Village. Starting with our brand new Haven Ultra, which features a 120 square foot loft. You'll see we have laminate flooring installed for something a little different. The ladder is situated along the back wall and can be upgraded to the fold flat ladder.
And now that you've toured Bunky Village, it's time to get some burgers.
And so I want to give a shout out to all the people that put this together. We've got just an incredible crew of people here that have all pulled it together. I literally just showed up and set up a microphone. That's all I did. So thanks to everybody that made this happen. If you are interested in seeing where the world's best bunkie is made right here in Rockwood, Ontario, we're doing tours every half hour on the hour. So just kind of assemble over here when you're ready after you're done your...
To Bunky Life. This is our shop here. A nice large building. Allows us to do everything we need to do to get our bunkies ready to be shipped out to you guys. So we can start right here on the finished product. It's a 16 foot by 4 foot by 4 foot stack here. Specifically ordered every single layer so that it remains rectangular, it doesn't tilt, and then we can strap it up and keep it nice and tight for delivery. So our first station here is where we manufacture all of our beams, and then we feed them along through into this giant radial arm saw with a massive dado blade on it. Those to specific lengths, so that way we just feed the wood along, it hits the stopper. Basically we load in any boards we want, whether it's wall boards, floorboards, roof boards, uncut boards, picket boards, put them in here, and then these chains, I'll pull the boards one by one in against the back fence. There's an arm that comes along to the back, it reads the full length of the board, and then we have a computer where we've typed in all the lengths that we need to get for that batch of lumber that we're running. All right, we can continue along here. I think we have about maybe 14, 15 people in the back here every day. Depending on what production is looking like, we can run 2 shifts. And here we have our dust collection unit. This would be a 5-headed molder currently, and every wall board that we produce gets run through this machine. So out pops at the end our wall boards. Double tongue and groove for these ones. For the 1x6s for your floorboards and your roof boards would be a single groove 1x6. All right, so this machine here is our notching machine. It's kind of the gem of Bunky Life. This was custom made for us to do a specific process. And what this does is cuts all the notches in our boards and adds our 45 degree. There's a shoulder on this side, not on this side, and on the back it's reversed. So once the boards, they just fit together like that, pretty straightforward. When you're assembling it, we put a screw right down the middle, but it's nice and tight, they're not moving anywhere.
So once you've had a chance to walk through all of our gorgeous bunkies and have a burger from our barbecue, I would love the opportunity for you to come sit with me and I can talk about what the next steps are. From here, we talk about roofing and insulation and how we manage the process for delivery of the bunkie arriving to you, any payment options we have to offer.
All right, we are nearing the end of the barbecue, and I think my favorite parts of the day are seeing people's faces when they walk into a bunkie and realize how much space it actually is. So, you know, you can't always get an idea from online, and when they walk in, they're like, whoa, I can fit this, or I can, that's probably my favorite moment, just watching all those reactions.
So the Bunky Life Barbecue was just a super inspirational event for myself personally. I got to see all the clients we've helped over the years, future clients, people that just wanted free barbecues, but it was just a great meeting of everybody together, and it was just a great kind of backyard community vibe. Another thing that really impacted me was just seeing all the families and all the people that work with us, right? Our team has really grown a lot over the past, you know, we started from just myself and Heather right there. Started it from really just a crazy idea of what if we sell bunkies on the internet, to a factory and a team and just a group of people that really competently put this on without me even having to do much. So I just showed up, yelled into a microphone a few times, and that was my whole job today. So I had a great time. I think that the vibe was high, and I think we sold some bunkies, which was fantastic too. But overall, this type of event is just like a nice kind of refocusing on what's truly important to Bunky Life, which is helping families build extra space for meaningful connection. And just hearing our clients' stories about how they use their bunkie to connect their family and do different things, you know, build their little off-grid retreat out in Nova Scotia, or you know, add extra space to their cottage so they can have their kids up. Like all these stories, you know, it refreshes and rejuvenates why we do what we do. So I think that if I had one takeaway, it was like, if I could meet our clients every week, I would do it, because it's just such a great experience, and they're all pretty pumped. And so, you know, the bunkies looked great. The factory was humming, and everyone was talking. But the real heart of it all is, like, you know, just human connection. So that was my favorite part of the day. Wow, what an amazing day. I think I don't know the full head count, but it was definitely well over 400 people, I think. And so, yeah, it was fantastic.